Hi friends, my name is Rajveer and in this video I'm going to unbox this beautiful phone which I have received just, and this is of Vivo brand and the model is S1 Pro. So without further ado, let's get and open it. However, just to be honest with you, I have already opened this box to check all those belongings that comes in this box. However, in order to give you the exact idea, I have put everything back in the box in the same way as I received from the company. So let me unbox this thing. So it was sold earlier, which I already broke and opened this box. So here I'm going to open this box. So this is the box which I'll keep aside, and this is a small box case in which under which this phone has been kept, and then this is a mini booklet that comes with this phone. Everything has been written here, how to use, and some of the settings that you need to do before you use this phone. And it also comes with this pin which can be used to remove SIM or insert SIM. So I'll keep it aside. Then this thing is of no use, and here we have the USB cable which I'm going to unbox. This is basically a USB type C 2.0 cable, which doesn't seem quite long, but since it is of Vivo brand, it must be of good quality. So if you are looking for some long wire, you have to purchase it from the market because it doesn't seem quite long, but it seems quite good, but it is not that much long that you might be expecting, or you can even purchase the longer wire from the market itself. So I'll keep it aside. And then we have this earphone that has beautiful wrapped in this polythene, and it also comes with the Vivo branding here. I don't know whether you can see it or not because of the lighting effect. So this is the earphone that I have received, and this is the sticker that has come with this phone, which has IMEI number, both IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2, and that's totally up to you. Like, you can also paste it on the back body of the phone. So I'll keep it aside. And then we have this charger which seems quite big than usual charger, and that is it has been written here like it supports 5 volt and 2 ampere, and so it has also been made in China. As you can see, there is its branding of China. It has been clearly written here that it has been made in China. Then we have nothing in this box, so I'll keep it aside, and let me unveil this beautiful phone. Then this we have, it's of no use. Then this is what we have received, and this has been wrapped in this polythene. I'll unwrap it from here. I'm just going to tear it. I'm not going to remove the paste, the adhesive of this polythene. No, I'm going to do the same. Okay, so here is the phone, and this has been beautifully like, it has got a very nice body. It is of grayish color, and as you can see, there are 3 cameras over here and the 1 flashlight. And see, we are also getting this case along with this phone, which I have already put it on this phone. But when you receive this box for the first time, it will not be on the body of this phone. It will be kept somewhere inside this box. So friend, let me tell you about this phone. This phone has a total display of 6.30 inch. So we are getting a very huge display screen here, and it has a very good and the powerful processor, which is of Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. The front camera that we are seeing here it has got 32 megapixel camera, and the rear camera is of 42 megapixel. Then another one is of 8 megapixel, and the last one and the third one is of 2 megapixel camera. So it has got about very powerful camera. The rear camera, the primary rear camera is of 42 megapixel, followed by 8 megapixel, followed by 2 megapixel, followed by 2 megapixel. It has got 8 GB of RAM, which makes this phone very smoother, particularly when you are going to play some heavy game, or particularly when you are about to download some heavy application from Google Play Store. And so it comes with 8 GB of RAM that makes this phone very smooth if you are going to play any heaviest application that you might find on Google Play Store. It has also got very big and the powerful battery, which is of 4500 mAh, which gives a very good backup, and it has got the Android 9 Pie operating system, and it has got two SIM slot. The first one is of SIM 1 and the SIM 2. Both of them are nano SIM slot, and some of the feature which I have found this phone about this phone is very fascinating, and let me list some of this some of the feature of this phone. The first feature which comes to my mind is that it has got face lock sensor. So this phone can unlock by just seeing your face. It has also got fingerprint sensor, it has got compass and magnetometer sensor. It also comes with proximity sensor, it has got accelerometer sensor and the ambient light sensor. The USB type that we are seeing that we get here is of 2.0. So friend, if you are looking for any good phone in this price range, which will be about 18,000 to 20,000 in any one of the the application, that is Amazon or Flipkart, you might get it for about 18 or maybe 20,000. So if you're looking for any phone which is below 20,000, so this could be the better option, and I'll definitely recommend all of you, if you're looking for any phone which is below 20,000, so this could be the best option for you. So friends, that's all in this video, and I'll definitely be making some more videos on this phone where I'll be showing some of the internal feature or some of the setting of this phone. So please, if you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload the next video. Thank you very much. Take care.